In today's video, I'll show you how to restore WhatsApp chats from a backup. First, find WhatsApp on your device. Then tap and hold the app and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Install the app and wait for it to finish downloading. Once installed, tap Open, then tap Agree and Continue. Allow the necessary permissions, then tap Continue and Next. After your phone number is verified, tap Continue. You can tap Not Now for optional setup prompts if you want. When the Restore Backup option appears, tap Continue. Then tap Allow so WhatsApp can access your backup files. Select Restore from Backup and Continue. Wait for the restoration process to finish. Once completed, tap Next, then tap Next again, and finally tap Done. And that's it. That's how you restore WhatsApp chats from a backup.